Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Anak-anak sedang menyaksikan channel
Belajar di Santap Ilmu. Banyak video-video baru yang selalu terkesan menemanimu. Ayo belajar di Santap Ilmu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning my student. Welcome to Santap Ilmu YouTube channel. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Umi Tiriani from SDS Darussalam. Today we will study about my friend's experience. Kali ini kita akan belajar unit 6 grade 6, yaitu unit 6 grade 6. My friend's experience. My friend's experience adalah pengalaman temanku, di mana di unit kali ini kita akan mempelajari tentang bagaimana pengalaman teman-teman kalian ketika liburan. Look and say. Lihat dan katakan. Drove. 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 Mengendarai. Took picture. Took picture. Mengambil foto. Prepared lunch. Prepared lunch. Mempersiapkan makan siang. Played. 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 Bermain. Looked for. Looked for. Looked for. Mencari. Had lunch. Had lunch. Had lunch. Makan siang. Bought fish. Bought fish. Bought fish. Membeli makan. Visit the beach. Visit the beach. Visit the beach. Mengunjungi pantai. Next, look and read. Lihat dan bacalah. Di sini ada percakapan antara Aisyah dan Cici. Look and read the dialogue, di mana Cici dan Aisyah berdialog. Aisyah, what did you do last holiday, Cici? Cici, I went to Papuma Beach. Where is it? Jember. What did you do there? I took some picture and had fun. Di mana percakapan Aisyah dan Cici jika diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah, apa yang kamu lakukan liburan lalu, Cici? What did you do last holiday, Cici? Apa yang kamu lakukan liburan lalu, Cici? I went to Papuma Beach. Aku pergi ke pantai Papuma. Where is it? Di mana itu? Jember. What did you do there? Apa yang kamu lakukan di sana? I took some pictures and had fun. Aku mengambil gambar dan bersenang-senang. Next, read and answer. Read and answer. Baca dan jawablah. Di sini ada sebuah gambar antara Aisyah dan Cici yang berada di perpustakaan. Read and the text and answer the question. Baca teksnya dan jawablah pertanyaannya. Aisyah visits the library. Aisyah mengunjungi perpustakaan. Hello, my name is Aisyah. I have a best friend. Her name is Cici. Yesterday, we went to the school library. We were there after school. We borrowed some books there. Then, we read the books. I read a science book and Cici read a comic book. We were in the library for 2 hours. We went home at 12. We were very happy. Yang artinya, Aisyah visited the library. Aisyah mengunjungi perpustakaan. Hello, my name Aisyah. Hello, namaku Aisyah. I have a best friend. Aku punya seorang teman baik. Her name is Cici. Namanya Cici. Yesterday, we went to the school library. Kemarin kita pergi ke perpustakaan sekolah. We borrowed some books there. Kita di sana setelah sekolah. Kita meminjam beberapa buku di sana. Then we read the books. I read a science book and Cici read a comics book. Aku meminjam buku IPA dan Cici membaca komik. We were in the library for 2 hours. Kita di perpustakaan 2 jam. We went home at 12. Kita pulang jam 12. We were very happy. Kita sangat senang. Next. Di sini kita akan menjawab sebuah pertanyaan atau beberapa pertanyaan tentang teks yang tadi ya. Number 1. Who is Aisyah's best friend? Siapa nama teman dekat Aisyah? Siapa namanya anak-anak? Ya, namanya adalah Cici. Where did they go? Kemana mereka pergi? Yes, they went to library. Mereka pergi ke perpustakaan. Number 3, when did they go to the library? Ya, kapan mereka pergi ke perpustakaan? They went to library after school. Mereka pergi ke perpustakaan setelah sekolah atau sepulang sekolah. What did they borrow? Apa yang mereka baca? They borrowed some books there. Mereka membaca beberapa buku. What did Aisyah read? Apa yang dibaca Aisyah? Aisyah read a science book. Aisyah membaca buku IPA. Number 6, when did Cici read? Apa yang dibaca Cici? Cici read a comic book. Cici membaca buku komik. Were they in the library for 3 hours? Apakah mereka di perpustakaan selama 3 jam? Apa jawabnya? No, we weren't in the library for 3 hours. Mereka tidak di perpustakaan selama 3 jam. But in the library for 2 hours. Number 8. How long were they in the library? Berapa lama mereka di perpustakaan? They were in the library for 2 hours. Mereka di perpustakaan selama 2 jam. Number 9. When did they go home? Kapan mereka pulang? They went home at 12. Mereka pulang jam 12. Were they happy? Apakah mereka senang? Yes. Were they happy? Ya, mereka senang. Next. Read the text and answer the question. Baca sebuah gambar di sini ya. Kemudian jawab pertanyaannya. Di sini ada gambar Aisyah dan temannya. My friend Aisyah. Oh, teman saya Aisyah. Di sini ada terlihat Aisyah itu get up, bangun tidur, kemudian pray, sholat, dan kemudian beraktivitas lainnya selain sendiri juga bersama keluarganya. Coba pertanyaan apa ya? Kita lihat next. Oke, di sini ada sebuah paragraf. I have a friend. Saya punya seorang teman. Her name is Aisyah. Namanya Aisyah. Last Sunday, she did many activities. Minggu lalu ia mempunyai banyak sekali aktivitas. After she got up and prayed subuh. Setelah ia bangun dan sholat subuh, she was her bike in the garage. Ia mencuci sepedanya di garasi. Then she watered the flowers. Kemudian ia menyirami tanaman bunga-bunganya. At 8 o'clock, jam 8, she had breakfast with her family. Ia sarapan dengan keluarganya. In the afternoon, she went to supermarket with her mother by a motorcycle. Jam 8 ia sarapan dengan keluarganya, kemudian di siang hari ia pergi ke supermarket dengan ibunya naik motor. In the evening, di sore hari, she watched TV. Ia menonton TV with her family, dengan keluarganya. It was a happy Sunday for her. Hari Minggu yang menyenangkan. Next, answer this question correctly. Number 1, who is my friend? Siapa nama temannya? Yaitu Aisyah. Yes. Number 2, what did she do in the morning? What did she do in the morning? Yes. Siapa atau apa yang dilakukan ketika pagi hari? She got up and prayed subuh. Dia bangun tidur dan sholat subuh. Where did she wash her bike? Kapan dia mencuci? Oh no. When did she have breakfast? Kita lihat ya di sini. Kita lihat. Ia mencuci sepedanya di garasi. Berarti kapan dia mencuci sepedanya di garasi? Ya, she was her bike in the garage. Di mana ia mencuci sepeda? Jawabnya adalah she was her bike in the garage. When did she have breakfast? She have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Ini pertanyaannya adalah kapan dia makan pagi atau sarapan? Yaitu ketika jam 8 pagi. She have breakfast at 8 o'clock. What did she do in the afternoon? Apa yang dilakukannya ketika siang hari? Ia pergi ke supermarket. Who did she go to supermarket with? Dengan siapa ia pergi ke supermarket? She went to supermarket with her mother. Dia ke supermarket dengan ibunya. How did she go to supermarket? Bagaimana dia pergi ke supermarket? She went to supermarket by a motorcycle. Dia pergi ke supermarket dengan menggunakan sepeda motor. What did she do in the evening? Apa yang dilakukannya sore hari? She watched TV. Menonton TV. Who did she watch TV with? Dengan siapa ia menonton TV? She watched TV with her family. Ia menonton TV dengan keluarganya. Was it a happy Sunday for Aisyah? Apakah itu merupakan minggu yang menyenangkan bagi Aisyah? Yes, it was a happy Sunday for her. Okay, my new word dari kata-kata atau dari pembelajaran kali ini ada menemukan kata-kata baru untuk kalian ya. Yang pertama adalah Borrowed, yaitu meminjam. Kemudian science, itu IPA. Watered, menyirami. Library, perpustakaan. How long, berapa lama. Di sini ada refleksi peserta didik ya, anak-anak hebat, dimana kalau kalian senang dan dapat melakukan atau dapat mengerjakan latihannya dengan baik, kalian checklist tanda senyum ya. Thank you for watching. See you next in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the Santap Ilmu YouTube channel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terus dukung channel Santap Ilmu dengan like, subscribe, dan share konten-konten kami ke teman-teman kamu ya. Sampai bertemu di konten berikutnya.
Ayo belajar di Santap Ilmu.